welcome back again to the channel. You guys, I'm sounding a bit dull because today is an overwhelming day for me, right? I have few days to travel and there is a lot of things that I need to do. When I mean a lot of things that I need to do. We need to make the children scream. In fact, before even all of that, right, there's a lot of things in the office that I need to do because I'm going to be taking leave, right? There's a lot of things that I need to do in the office, right? And it's just a lot this morning. But I had to leave the camera at home over the weekend. You know, we bought the PAP and other things. I also have to make PAP because I'm traveling with these children. You guys, I think this is going to be the first time that, you know, I will travel with them. No, it's not the first time that I will travel with them, but it's the first time that they are aware of, like, you know, what is happening. They're going to enter plane. Is it the first time? I don't think it's Kaito's first. No, it's not Kaito's first time, but they are grown now, so they understand. They have a better understanding, right? You know, I have also even been telling them it's something that has been exciting them and all. They are going to enter aeroplane, so it's been exciting them. So I have a lot of things to do. In the office, I have to tidy up. But at home, I had to leave the camera for Auntie Peace and Auntie Perpetua because Auntie Peace, of course, she knows what to do. She has been with me. She knows how I do PAP. She knows how I do things, you know. So they have to soak PAP. They have to do so many things. So if you have really not seen us make PAP before, if you've really not seen me make PAP on my channel before, don't worry. You're going to see it in this vlog. And then I will just make a bit of my children's cream because we have, what they call it, we finished the one that I made. It carried us for like months and months and months and months. But anyways, I'm a lot distracted. The next clip you're going to see is, you know, Auntie Peace washing pap and doing other things that she needs to do. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys much later. Let's just prepare.
Ye ṣé o bàbá. Wow. That was. Like say you don't see my mama. Oh yeah. I'm telling you.
A few moments later.
You guys, boiled granite is out. How much per cup?
Down 1,000, down 700, down 400, down 300.
Yeah, put me 1,000. Make it full, oh. My favorite is out. Boiled granules. My God, I can munch on this. I love to munch on this actually. I'm just trying to do. I'm sure you guys have not seen my face since the beginning of this vlog. It's been anti-peace. It's been anti-peace. You know, we've done PAP, we've done the children's cream, we are preparing for travel, so I want to make sure that everything is on point. everything is on point. Everything is literally on point. And I'm so amazed how fast, you know, my girls have really learned. Like this pap, I just literally gave directive, right? I literally gave directive, you know, they followed it like step by step, and the outcome, amazing, amazing. Guys, let me just head home. I have a meeting for later today. I'll see you guys much later.